Hello viewers, welcome to Oscar IT. Today I'm going to show you how to open Microsoft Word and make a document. At first we have to click on right button of mouse and then click on the new and then click on Microsoft Word. Then simply rename it and open another. Then we can see the interface of Microsoft Word. Then we have to go in a different way. We can open Microsoft Word by going to Start button and search for Microsoft Word and open it. If you don't get that, you can try it another way by clicking search button and type WORD. Simply open it. After open Microsoft Word, you have to click on new button for new document and click on the blank document. After click blank document, here see the first interface of Microsoft Word. Today we will learn about the home row. Here we have 4 sections: font, paragraph, style, and binding. First we learn about the font section. In the font section, we have font type, font size, font color, font subscript, superscript, bold, italic. At first I type something for our project. Then we can change our font type. Just select our text and then click on the font type. Then we can change it as we want. Then we can change the size of our text. Just select text and choose the size as we want. See our font size has changed. If we want to change the text as bold, just select text and click on the bold button. Then you can see our text here bolded. If you want to change your writing as italic style, just select text, then click on italic button. Then you can see our writing here in italic style. If you want to underline your text, just select the text and then on the underline button. Then you can see our text here underline. You can also change the style of underline. Just click on the arrow button near the underline sign. Choose style for your underline as you want. Here you can see our underline style. Then we can, if you want to strike your writing like art on your writing or a line, select your writing, select your text and click on the strike button. You can also write a scientific name of any element, like I just want to write water scientific name or scientific equation. H2O, you know that H2O. For that reason we have to subscript our writing. So at first we have to type H, then we can click on it's a little, I have to deselect it H, then I have to click on the subscribe button. Without subscribe button you can see the normal. If you click the subscribe button, then you type you can see our down, it's subscribed. Then you can see the hydrogen, two hydrogen, and write it. We have to type again anything normal, then we have to deselect the subscribe button. Then you can see our subscribe is doing. If you want to type a mathematical equation like a plus b whole square equal to a square plus 2b plus b square, I just type a plus b and then take it in bracket. Then you can see I type 2 as normal, then it's not our square. If we want to type a square, we have to click on the superscript button, then we have to type 2, then there we can see the 2 are superscript and it's a square. Then you can go to color section, and or if you want to color your text, just select your text and then click on this color button. Then you can see our writing here in color. If you want to change your color type, just select the arrow button near the A and then you can select the color as you want. Here I put my writing as a green, and I also trying with other color. Yes, then you can see our writing here in blue. If you want to highlight your writing, just select your writing, select your text, then click the highlight button for normal highlight as default color. If you want to change the highlighting color, just select your writing, select highlight button, color, and then the writing. If you then we are going for the paragraph section. Here we can change the paragraph type. If we want to take our header in the center, select our writing text and click on the center button. If we want to change our writing as a simple paragraph, just select our writing. For this step, click on this. For this step, click on this button, and for left side just select writing and click on the left. It's left. Keep it normal. Here you can change the line spacing between the lines. I just keep it normal. Here you can change the border as you want. Here you can see the border here changing the border button, and you can paint the writing by clicking this button as color you want. And just keep it this color is perfect. And you can also change the style of writing you want from hairstyle. Like finding something, just click on find button, search for anything, then you can see our result here highlighted. If you want to find replace something, just click on the replace button and type what you want to find, then type what you want to replace with the previous one and click on replace. That's everything. If you want to save your file, just go to file menu and click on the save button, then your file is saved. If you want to save in another direction, just select save as and click on the folder as well. Just click on the browse and select the directory and save. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please comment and share this video.